there is a separate transaction only BAPI. If you go to BAPI, it is more of a evapor kind of task, but you should know the right BAPI to be used. Any object. Okay. So here, if you go to BAPI, there is a quality management separate option is there. In the quality planning, what all objects are there and relevant, what all BAPIs are there now, you will be able to see that. If I select inspection lot, get details is there. If I select get detail, double click on it, you will get the name of the functional module, BAPI, and this thing, inspection lot detail. It will show you the detail of the inspection lot. If you double click on it now, it will open that functional module only. We can see the details. I can show you in the ECC version little bit about it. Okay, let me switch to the ECC. Go to BAPI. So what all BAPIs are there now? You can see the quality notification is also there. Quality planning is there. Okay. Inspection plan relevant. So what all objects are there? Here you can see create is there. Okay. For the inspection plan creation. That inspection plan, normally we use BAPI only to create it. You can create it. I show you in this case how it works. Okay. Inspection lot. If I click on get details, double click on it. Here you can see the function module. That this BAPI is used to get the information of the inspection lot. If I double click on it, it will open the BAPI only. And let me show you if I go for QA32, take some lot. Let's take this lot only. When I click on this, test and execute, okay, here I can enter the lot number because it is the BAPI which will show you the detail of the inspection lot. Okay, so I have entered that this is my inspection lot number. Click on execute. So it will show you the details. The general data is there, the task list relevant data is there, and the system status for this particular inspection lot, 6 entries it is showing. If I click on this, these are the system status. Let me show you in this. If we go to the system status, here you can see these are the status. Give you the details. So even the task list, like what inspection plan is linked to. So if I click on this here, task list used for it. Okay. And this metadata is data about the data. Okay. So it will give you the information, what is the technical detail part of what all task list number is there and the usage is maintained for it, group counter, valid from date for the inspection plan. Here you can see the task list information. One more transaction, which is SE37. Enter. Even this is an important transaction, SE37, which will give you the functional module detail. It is picking up BAPI, inspection lot get detail. Just now I have shown you. So here also you can check it. If you don't know the name of the BAPI, okay, so click on the search. If you know the name of the package, then you can enter the package name. How you will check the package? Let me show you that also. So suppose if I want to check the package for, let me go to Migo. Here in the system and then status, you will get the transaction name Migo. So if you double click on this transaction, it will give you the package. So it is MB. Even in QM, you know that for UD it is different. Okay. So here also if I select say system status, see it is inspection lot detail. QA03. Double click on it. Here the package is QL. This is the package you will be telling here in this screen. If I am looking for specific transaction package, then that is how you do it. If I enter my package as QL and then continue, then all the functional modules which are created or present, here you can see inspection characteristics, get requirement, results. You will get the complete list. You will get the list of the user exit also. You can see the exits which are present. it is much easier to get the information this way if you want. I enter say Q asterisk, continue. Of course, my all the things will be relevant to quality only, so it will show you most of the things relevant. If I enter say QP, let's say this, it is showing me related to the inspection plan. Okay, so if you go to the QP02 transaction now and check the package, so it will be QP. So for the inspection plan, what all are there now? User exit or the PAPI, you will get these things. Provided by SAP only. PAPI, na, you will get the detail. Let me execute it. So when there is a documentation is also there for SKU. Maybe in the PAPI it is there. So inspection lot. So here also I will get the further details here in this. Here you can see the package is coming QL. Yeah. To get the idea what is the purpose of that particular thing. Get PAPI. Here it is, functional module documentation. If you click on this now, it will give you what is the purpose and how, in which area you can use this PAPI. So whenever you have any doubt, you can check out here. QA 12, enter some lot, press enter key, and in the system status, it is QB. Okay. No transaction which can be used for user exit. So SMOD to find the enhancements for UD. If I enter the package which was coming here is QB. In this QB continue, then it will give me the user exits which are present for usage decision.